up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm pretty sure you clicked this video because you want to know how I got my hair this blue color. Okay, I used the hair paint wax, the color blue, obviously, and I just put this on my hair, but I'm going to show y'all in this video like exactly how I did it and what I put on my hair before putting the paint wax on there and all types of things like that. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I got, so if y'all are interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I am about to go ahead and start. I'm going to go ahead first and start by sectioning off my hair. I'm going to do this in 4 sections. Okay, so first we're going to work with this back half, and I need a comb. Okay, so I'm first going to comb this out because it's a mess. Okay, so now that it's detangled, I'm going to go in with my handy dandy spray bottle, and I'm just going to wet this. Okay, so based on the videos that I watched before doing this, people do this on damp hair and they put in a leave-in conditioner first just so it can like protect their hair. But I mean, this is not my real hair, so it really don't matter. But I'm just gonna do it too just because every single last one that I watched, they did it, so why not? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner and put a little bit on my hair. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner is in, and I would suggest doing this on a shirt that you don't care about or have a towel on or something, because this does transfer from what I've seen. A little bit amount, rub it in my fingers, I guess, and just start putting it on there. It smells good. It smells like something that I know, but I can't put my finger on exactly what it is. Look at the mess that this is making. But I'm gonna take that comb again. Hold on, let me get this all off my fingers. I'm gonna take this comb and just kind of comb it in, make sure it's on like every piece of hair, because it looks like it's not getting on every piece, but let's just see. Okay, so I think that's enough for this section as of right now. I really don't know the struggle that I'm going through right now. I don't have like a table or nothing in front of me, so I got everything balanced on my legs. So I got like this leave-in conditioner, this paint wax, my comb, my hair tie. Everything is balanced on my legs right now. I need to invest. Actually, I could have used that table, but I didn't feel like moving it. I didn't think about it honestly until just now, so I'm just gonna blame it on that. Okay, last section. And I just sprayed it with water again just to make sure that it doesn't dry before I fully get all of the color on my hair, because I don't want it to be like clumpy and not smooth on my hair. So this is the final, not final look, but this is what I'm looking like right now. My hair is still wet, obviously, so I'm about to go and wash my hands. So this is how much color transferred. You can't really even tell, but a good, not even a good bit, but it transfers on your hands, and it's picking up lighter on camera. It's really darker than this, but it's whatever. And I use about half of this hair paint wax. It looks like I use a lot just because I dug in instead of like scraping off the top, but if I mash all of this down, it'll be like halfway. So that is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and close all of this stuff up, go wash my hands, and I will be back to go outside so y'all can see if the sun coming back up, because I think it's hiding behind clouds right now. But yeah, so when I come back, my hair will be a little drier, so it'll be a little shrunken, and we're gonna see what we're working with. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I came outside so y'all can actually see the color. It's like a, it's not really even a black blue, it's like literally a blue, but like on the darker side, so like kind of like a navy blue. But I came outside so y'all can see, so I'm about to go back inside so I can go ahead and end this video. But yeah, you can see. Okay, y'all, so I came back inside so y'all can see how the color looks inside as well, and it still looks like a navy bluish color. If you have lighter hair, the color would have went on differently. So like if my hair was like kind of bleached, it would have been a brighter blue. And if your hair is like jet black, I don't know, because this is kind of close to jet black, so I don't really know how jet black hair would look, but I know for a fact if you have like bleached hair, the color will be brighter on your hair. So keep that in mind. I really like how this turned out. I went to sleep. I didn't sleep with the wig on my head because I told y'all earlier it's not attached to my head, but I took it off and it dried overnight or whatever, and the hair kind of feels like you can tell something is on it, and it doesn't feel like, you know how your hair feels when you have like conditioner or something in your hair? Like it doesn't feel like that. Like it literally feels like wax is in my hair. Like it feels like that. But me going like this, it's not really on my fingers, but like it's transferring just a tiny bit. Like you can't even really see it on camera. So just know that it kind of transfers a little bit, and I'm pretty sure I got on this white shirt, so I'm praying that when I take this shirt off that it's not on my shirt. But if it is, keep that in mind too. Don't wear white or anything that you don't want to get color on, because the color does transfer. Yeah, I should have recorded a video of me doing this look because y'all wanted to see it, but I forgot once again, so it's whatever at this point. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all I have to say. If you haven't already seen my video from Monday, y'all make sure y'all go check that out. It was the sorority tag part 2, and if you haven't seen part 1, go check that out as well. Not the sorority tag, but the sorority questions and answers. So if you haven't seen part 1, go check that out. If you haven't seen part 2, go check that out. And yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned to Monday with a new video. So I will see y'all then. Peace.